Alright guys, so any good Web3 game rewards their holders, gives some sort of utility to their NFT collection if they have one, or if not, maybe some partner collection or something like that. So this is gonna be the plan. When you are done with the game, when you win the game, let's see, we ended with $10, right? We cashed out Solana when it was $10, and I want to do something like this. So I'm gonna see if the connected user has at least one Rubian NFT, that is our collection, Rubians, buy, support, right? So we're gonna see if the user has at least one NFT of Rubian in their wallet, and if that is the case, if they actually do have at least one, we're gonna just double the score. So it's gonna be, instead of $10, it's gonna be 20. And in the UI, it's gonna say holder bonus applied. As simple as that. Let's see if we can do it. Let's get right into building. So in the Solana service, we went over the wallet service, right? Node. But there's also NFT manager. And NFT manager, it has a couple of these functions. So it has load and login, which I think is what we definitely want. So whenever we log in, it's gonna automatically start parsing NFTs right here. See, if load and login, then it's just gonna, when logged in, it's gonna try load NFTs. And this is gonna just pack everything into the owned NFTs. So from here, you will always be able to like call Solana service, NFT manager, and try to get your own NFTs. Okay, so and also there is load textures, which is an optional thing. It doesn't load textures automatically because it takes a longer time than to load each and every NFT. We don't need the textures for now, so we're just only interested if there's at least one NFT, only the number. So we're not gonna do it for now, but definitely use it in your own games. All right, and also very important thing is you need a proper RPC. Proper NPC. So by default, there is like this Solana API, DevNet API, which is really slow. So what I recommend you guys is to go to Helios.xyz, and get your free API. You can pay for better rates, but you can just get a free mainnet and DevNet RPC. It's gonna be good enough for some amount, but if your game gets really popular, you will need to buy some paid RPC option. But just get one and use that. It's gonna be pretty fast. So you can see right here, I'm using mine, DevNet Helium. Not Helium, Helios, everybody knows it. Okay, so this is gonna make the NFTs load fast. Let's see if this is actually working at all. If this check actually made anything happen now. So if we go to the game, you will see that if everything works out all right, I'm connecting wallet, and you see right here, the NFTs are starting to come up, see? They're all loading one by one. They're loading, and they're getting loaded into the owned NFTs part. NFTs that are loading are actually here. So this is my wallet, and it has these NFTs. It has some DevNet Rubians and some other NFTs. So we only want to get the Rubians, and in game we want to know that there's 17 of Rubians that I hold inside the game. So how can we do it? Conveniently, we have a very interesting resource. So we can actually add a resource, and the resource is gonna be NFT collection. NFT collection is gonna be called Rubians. And in here, we can add mainnet collection ID and DevNet collection ID. So we can have both, because in mainnet and DevNet, the collections have different IDs. And if we want to have it working with both Solana service, DevNet and mainnet, we can just add these both things right here. But for now, we only are interested in DevNet collection ID. So I'm just gonna get to one of the Rubians, get into the Sol scan, and get its collection ID from here. So in the metadata, there's gonna be the collection ID. This is the collection ID we're looking for. Let's paste it in here, and collection name, we're added Rubians. I don't think it matters too much. We only need this collection ID. So we can, from the NFTs, you'll see an NFT manager right here. There is a function called get NFTs from collection. We can put in the collection, and it's just gonna, from this owned NFTs, it's only gonna return you the list, the array of NFTs which come from this collection. So let's try and do that. In menu, in the game now. Back into the game, in GUI field, in the GUI, we can say right here, because in the win screen, we want to be able to handle all this doubling of coins. So here we can do an export var holder collection, and it's gonna be a field of NFT collection. we can add it right here. So holder collection is going to be Rubians. We're dragging it right here. And here we can say in the handle game win, we need to double the price if there's more than at least 1 Rubian. So what we can do is do this. First, we need to set the final price, because this is, we may or may not double it. So we do final price is going to be the current price. All right. And now we need to fetch the list of NFTs. So var holder holder NFTs, and it's going to be an array of NFT. And this is going to be Solana service, NFT manager. And what is the collection? Get NFTs from collection. So it's going to be get NFTs from collection, and the collection we're passing in is the holder collection. So now we should get all the NFTs here that are of the holder. And this is going to be just very, very simple. Oh, let's also do, we can set the variable amount of multiplication. So we can do var holder multiplier, which is the float. So let's just double it. It's going to be twice as much of points if you're a holder of Rubians. So we can do just this. If holder NFTs dot size, we're not interested in every single NFT. We just want to know if this is more than 0, right? Is more than 0, then we say that final price is multiplied by holder multiplier, and that should double the price. And one more thing that we need to do is add this in the win screen. We need to add this kind of a thing that said that actually your price was doubled because you're a holder. So what we can do is add a new label, which is going to be called holder indication, and we'll say holder bonus applied. It's let's make it into a different color so it pops off a bit more. Something cool. I want something cool. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. Holder bonus applied. No, this is not as cool. It needs something bright. Holder bonus applied. Sure, and we're just gonna make the font size just a little bit smaller. Holder bonus applied. Yeah, something like that should probably be good enough. Okay, so yeah, but it doesn't look too nice. Maybe just maybe below it. Holder bonus applied. And here we can do back in the script of GUI, we can say that on ready we also need to get that label. So on ready var holder indication, which is a label, and it's going to be this thing, holder indication. So holder indication as well needs to be a holder indication visible, needs to be false, just in case. So we're going to set it to false right here. And when you win and when it's doubled, see, holder entity size more than 0, it's doubled, and we make it visible true. That should probably do it. Let's try and see if it's actually working. So what we can do is just, I guess, just go into the game. Let's try. Connect wallet. I'm getting all the coins. See, so now 38, 44. Holder bonus is applied, but the price was not doubled. Oh, and I know why, because we haven't shown it here inside in this label. So what we can do is very simple. Okay, so final price, I forgot this. How is it called? Colon. And we need to share not the current price, but the adjusted, the final price. We need to show the final price right here. So let's try it once more. Connect wallet. Let's try. And bam, 87 instead of 44. See, holder bonus applied. Now we have an actual holder utility. How cool is that? And it wasn't so difficult, was it? So thank you very much for watching this one. It was pretty interesting, at least for me. And the next episode is gonna be about earning some money in the game, right? Who doesn't like to make some money while playing games? So this is what we're gonna do. In the next episode, we're gonna allow the holders to claim their rewards. See you around.